Hey, what's up, guys? So I've been out for a while because I haven't really had much to do, but yeah, I have a surprise for you guys. Look what I just picked up. It's been a long 9 months, but finally it's here. So it's 2022 F150 XLT. F150 XLT. So hopefully we can start doing some mods again. A few of the things coming out be maybe color match mirrors and color match front grill. And right now I just ordered those Husky X counters. So that's one of the things I'm getting ready to install. I put the back one already. See, it fit perfect. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and throw the front ones in and see how they match. Alright guys, so I just put the front one. See, so it looks like it covers pretty good. Alright guys, so that's how the driver's side looks. Looks pretty good. So guys, so here's a small tour. It's a XLT 302. So I'll try to get a better video later on, show you guys some of the options and stuff, and talk a little bit maybe about the pricing. Alright, so yeah, so I think that's gonna be it for today. I just wanted to show you guys, and hopefully I can start making some videos again, and I'll see you guys next time.